Welcome back to 33 Flowers, the podcast for English learners. Today, we are tackling a frustrating problem. I understand English, but I can't speak it.
Oh, the silent English phenomenon. I know so many people who can watch American movies without subtitles, but freeze the moment they have to say hello.
It is incredibly common, Norman. You are not alone. It usually comes down to the science of vocabulary. We have two types, passive and active.
Passive is what we hear and understand, right?
Exactly. It's like a library of books in your head. Active vocabulary is what you can actually pull off the shelf and use instantly. Most learners have a massive library, but a tiny active toolkit.
So knowledge does not equal speech. How do we close that gap?
You need to bridge the physical disconnect. I recommend a technique called shadowing.
Is that where you repeat what a speaker says immediately, like an echo?
Yes, you listen and copy the sounds simultaneously. It builds muscle memory in your mouth. You aren't just thinking, you are physically training your tongue.
I like that. Another tip I've heard is thinking in English.
That is crucial. Instead of translating "I want water" from your native language, just think the English words as you pour a glass. Narrate your life.
But Emma, even when I practice, I get scared. I don't want to sound stupid.
That is the psychological hurdle. Linguists call it the affective filter. It is an invisible wall built by anxiety and perfectionism.
So trying to be perfect is actually stopping me from speaking.
100%. You have to allow yourself to speak broken English before you can speak fluent English. Lower the filter, relax.
Okay, here is the action plan. 1. Practice shadowing. 2. Narrate my day in English. 3. Stop worrying about mistakes.
Perfect summary. Your goal today isn't perfection, it is communication. Start talking, even if it's just to yourself.
Thanks for listening to 33 Flowers. See you next time.